Hi, I'm George. I'm the development chef here at Cook. So you're going to cook one of our beef Wellingtons for two. Now the best way to accompany this is with a really good red wine sauce. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First off, what we do is we're going to dice up a shallot. Not too fine, not too fancy. You're going to sweat it off and then pass it out of the sauce later on anyway. So this is just there for flavour. Alongside the shallot, we're going to go in with some garlic, again, just for flavour. Now into the pan, we're going to melt some butter, get that up to temperature, start bubbling, and then we're going to go in with the shallot and garlic mix and sweat that down until it's slightly translucent and beginning to soften. Now that the shallot and the garlic have softened, we're going to add a good glass of nice quality red wine. We're going to let that reduce by half and then go in with a litre of beef stock. This is going to simmer away and reduce down for about 20-25 minutes. Again, just until that stock is reduced by half and it's starting to thicken up and become glossy. Now that the stock is reduced by half, we're going to add a good amount of butter. So we want to be doing this slowly and in small amounts, just so the butter really emulsifies into the sauce and stays glossy and starts to really thicken. Once we've added all of our butter, we're going to pass or strain the sauce through a fine sieve into a jug and we're ready to serve. Now, as I said, this goes perfectly well with our beef Wellington. If you do happen to have any left over, which I suspect you probably won't, it does go wonderfully well with a Sunday roast. Enjoy.